Let's move on to another thing that we all thought by this time none of us will be using, and we're using it more and more. In fact, it's critical. The Canon PIXMA 670 ink tank printer. It's a photo and document printer. It's meant for home or small to medium businesses and design studios. It's designed very well. A printer shouldn't look ugly. After all, it's right out there on a table. Important parts like the print head can be replaced very easily by the user. Filling the ink tank is extremely easy. Also, you can actually do it in under 2 minutes. No chance of spilling. Something very important with the ink tank. Different inks can never be accidentally mixed because the design of the ink bottles and the nozzle of the ink tank in the printer is actually customized to each other, so it won't fit. But the quality of the prints is what it all comes down to. Let's take a look at our review.
Clicking photographs of all those important moments is always special, but one Instagram upload later, what good does it do, lying amongst thousands of other random screenshots and pictures on your phone? We feel you could make them a bit more special, make all of those moments tangible. You should print them and frame them. The product we're talking about today might just help you do that, all while being extremely user-friendly and feature-rich. It's the Canon PIXMA G670 ink tank printer, and this is our review to see just how great it is as a product and as something that can help make your memories tangible. The G670 is designed extremely well. It has matte black plastic all around which feels sturdy. Access to all parts that the user will need to access throughout the use of the printer is extremely easy, whether it's the print head or the ink tanks. The printer also comes with a travel lock, an industry first, which enables the user to move the printer without any worry of the ink being mixed or spilt out by the print head. Filling the ink tanks is also easy. Each ink bottle comes with an opening tip that is designed to fit one specific ink tank, which prevents the user from accidentally mixing the inks. As soon as the ink bottle is placed over the ink tank, it starts filling automatically without the ink bottle needing to be squeezed. And the whole process takes only a few seconds per ink tank and remains completely spill-free. And overall, such a smart design makes using the printer very, very easy. But apart from the smart design, how good is it with the job that it's meant to do? How well does it print? The quality of the pictures printed is amazing. The G670 is one of only 2 printers in the market that use 6 different colors for printing A4 sized photos and documents. The printer uses grey and red apart from the usual cyan, magenta, black and yellow to print. As a result, the color spectrum is enhanced along with deeper contrasts in everything printed by this printer. All made possible because of the presence of red and grey inks. The red enhances the color spectrum and makes every shade deeper and well separated. The grey adds a much needed contrast to the pictures. The options of printing sizes varies from 4 by 6 inches to A4 to 120 centimeter long banners. But one should be wary of the time it takes to print the pictures, which can vary from 50 seconds for a 4 by 6 inch print to 2 minutes for an A4 print. Even though the time needed for printing a single picture is a lot, the G670 can print a mind-boggling 3800 4 by 6 inch prints before the ink tanks would need to be refilled. This keeps the per print cost at par with the industry. The printer is also smart enough by today's standards. It can be connected to Wi-Fi rather easily. Once it is connected, a user can use the Selfie app on their smartphone to give print commands. And the printer can switch off after some minutes of not being used but comes back on as soon as a print command is received. It also has a scanner that can be used to photocopy both color and black and white documents. Despite how many things this printer can do, there are some things that the G670 gets wrong. There is one small 5 cm monochrome screen controlled by buttons, and figuring your way around the settings on this tiny screen can get pretty hard for the user. Even though Wi-Fi is rather easy to set up, there is no Ethernet port on the printer, which could have made the process of connecting the printer to the internet